What's going on, guys? It has been a very long time since I have made a video to update you on the progress of CLAJAMA. It's been months, but been working on it for those same amount of months. Busy running my business, building this, and this tool, or why this is being built in the first place. It's an internal tool. Since over the past 14 years, everything I built was on WordPress. No matter how simple or complex it was, everything was there. But with being able to build this and control how it operates, it makes it much easier for me. So we're just going to go through, show you guys. It is going to be a SaaS or PaaS, both really. Go ahead and log in. Show you around a bit. This is ready for development. Workers create on directory. So this, let me actually go pull up the log so I can see what is happening here. Still linking everything together. If you're new, go back and watch the old videos. We're not building this from scratch. We've already had a working prototype, and now it's taking it and putting it into a platform. So let me just show you how it works. Obviously, that's my dashboard, because the project that I have on the dashboard is test 1. As you can see, there's an issue with the start development. That's what I'm working on right now. But yeah, so with this, you can either create a brand new website. There's a couple stacks for you to pick from. Auto detect is what's recommended. And since I made all these websites with WordPress, I really want to get away from people calling me, asking me to do stuff with their website. It's 2025. You know, over the years I tried to teach people, they're just not interested. So what would happen is I would go take a site that we built before, type in the name, type in the URL. It's going to scrape that website, and it's going to organize the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and include PHP to handle the forms. Now you may be asking, well, what if I build that site and I don't think about that? That is where collaboration comes in. With collaboration, you'll pick your project, and still working on the responsive design here. You will tell the AI specifically what you want to change. So let's just say you get your site set up and you built it and said, well, I want to take payments with Square. Later on, you think, why isn't my Square working? You would type that in here. And this is what people who don't know would be asking. Someone like me, my first prompt is pretty much going to have everything in it. So I wouldn't do much here other than making changes. But that person would come back and type in here, hey, this is my Square API key. It will take that key, run it, and put it into the code. Even if someone were to say, hey, I want to change the picture of the header on my homepage, it will allow them to do that. And I need to write that down. We got to get file uploads put in here. File Explorer, this has to still be reworked for responsiveness. You can see, edit, make changes. And this would be for people who are a little bit more advanced, who can say, well, yeah, I just need to go change my API key or however. And then there's the settings. There's a creator mode, which is for people who are non-tech savvy, and then developer mode is going to allow people to go even further into using the tool. What I want to do, since, you know, when I first started out and I was super broke, I needed something free to just let me get my feet wet. And we want to do that for people who need free. And we're not going to sell them their source code. The free is not set up as a way to trick people into getting started and then we charge them. I always hated that over the years, especially when I was desperate. I go do something free and then to actually use it or put a domain name to it, $45, $50, $19, buy the domain. I never had that at that time. So we're going to make it to where people can not build just junk. You know, they say, well, hey, one free project, 3 pages. We're going to let people build whatever they want to build. The caveat is you have to bring your own API key. Now, if somebody is just so untech savvy that they can't even go do that, we will provide access to our API key, but it is taxed. So it'll be close, pretty close to free. You can do a lot. But yeah, that's where we are right now. And it's coming together extremely fast. Because like I said, we've already built a working prototype. Now, since we're switching from Flet to now React and Fast API, it's just migrating the code to work with the new tech stack. So I look forward to continuing to update you guys. Like I said, it's probably made a really big gap. But yeah, it's come a really long way. And I really hope that we can make money with this, provide a service, give people in the community the opportunity to use it for legitimately free and be able to build their own things. One other thing that is already built in is you can deploy from here. At this point, all of this is local. Once we get the new setup and everything back responsive, we're going to make it to where people can deploy to wherever they want to, DigitalOcean or whatever. But for right now, every deployment is live on this server. Like I said before, we want to let people download their source code. But yeah, really look forward to taking this to another level. And those projects got deleted because I cleared them out. But yeah, still